This is Tajammul Adel. Earbuds are no longer to just listen to your favorite tunes, they can also cancel background noises, take phone calls, and play your favorite games. Today I'm talking about QCY T13 model, which comes with a noise cancelling feature, and the another one comes with a gaming mode. QCY 13 noise cancelling feature costs you $30.49 and the QCY T13 game mode is cost you $34. The T13 case is more premium feeling than the usual generic matte finish cases we typically see in this price range. The QCY logo stops a glossy finish lid and it has shown no sign of degradation or scuff. On the other side is a USB-C charging option, and on the front we have a single LED donating charging status. When you put the case on a charge, it turns red, then green when the case is fully charged. The QCY T13 has a simple design and feels well built. The earbuds are completely white and have a short stem. The oval parts rest in your ears comfortably without feeling very big in mid-size ears. It's doable to wear them for a few hours in a row, and they are in your ears snug enough to take a run or workout with them. The QCY T13 noise cancelling charging case is square with rounded corners so as not to create discomfort when placed inside a trouser pocket. All made of plastic materials with a matte finish. The charging input is positioned on the right side, slightly off center, while on the front below the small recess for opening the lid, we find a status LED of the residential battery charge of the case. The T13 ANC earbuds still have an oval earpiece that fits diagonally in your ears with an oval rubber ear tip seen. That is perhaps the biggest design difference with the original T13, which had a round ear tip. It means you have to twist the T13 ANC a bit for the best fit and does noise cancellation and sound. You can definitely feel you are wearing earbuds, but they are still comfortable to wear for a few hours in a row. The T13 ANC looks and feels like the QCY T13, but things have changed a little. The charging case is still square with the rounded corners, but now have a slightly different shape and a matte finish rather than a shiny one. The cared lid is a bit wibbly and the case is bigger than what's needed for the earbuds. The earbuds have an oval earpiece that fits diagonally in your ears with an oval rubber ear tip seen before on the Apple AirPods Pro and many earbuds after it. That is perhaps the biggest design difference with the original T13, which had a round ear tip. Both earbuds provide around the same level of comfort. They also have comparable call quality, with the T13 ANC making your voice clear and louder, while the original T13 reduces certain sounds better. The T13 ANC wins from the original T13 in the sound department. The newer model has a tightener base, more openness around the cup mids, and more clarity. The QCY mobile app gives T13 some cool features, and this is pretty insane at this price range. The QCY app for Android and iPhone, links are mentioned in the video description, isn't the most polished app in the market, but its functionality is still very good. In fact, it has the same features as its more expensive ANC sibling, the QCY HD05. From the QCY app, you can easily check the battery status of the left and right earbuds. The equalizer presets of QCY T13 are very interesting. They completely give the next level to the sound of the earbuds. The bass preset increases the mid bass and also increases the bass so nicely. And same applies for a pop preset. It's time to show you the QCY T13 noise cancelling and the gaming mode earbuds. Let's do an unboxing and see what's inside the box. I'm quite impressed by the battery life of QCY T13. I have been able to use QCY 13 for about 8 hours straight. As with the previous QCY T13, it's nice to have app support. It gives you different sound equalizer, whether you choose pop, bass, rock or set up your own sound. Via the 10-band equalizer, every change in the sound adds other frequencies, giving balance and liveliness. The QCY T13 has a touch controls on the earbuds upper part which respond well to your input. Touch the right earbud for 2 to 3 seconds to play the next track and press the left earbud for few seconds. It will play the previous track. With a single tap on the right earbud, you can increase the volume, and single tap on the left earbud, you can easily reduce the volume. Press 3 times the left earbud to enable the voice assistant, and a triple tap on the right earbuds will enable the game mode. It's safe to take a phone and call with the QCY T13. With its 4 microphone setup, the QCY T13 picks up your voice well, loud and clear. Your voice can sound a bit softer when you are walking in the wind and there's a lot of noise around you. The call quality is best in class of its price. The QCY T13 can be associated with the Android and iOS devices, and the latency in video and music playback is good. In the standard scheme, it's not possible to change the volume from the earpiece directly. However, you can change the controls via the QCY app. As the T13 doesn't support a single tap, you can select a single tap to increase the volume and left earbuds to reduce the volume. However, you won't activate control just by adjusting the earbuds a bit. That's nice. The QCY T13 ANC has a touch surface from which to issue commands for managing music and calls. The nice thing is that through the companion app, the touches can be customized for each headset, and the headphones are independent for each other. In any case, everything is controlled by means of a single, double and triple touch as well as a prolonged touch. The QCY T13 ANC sounds engaging with its decent mid-bass and energizing and airy treble. The QCY T13 are a valid economic alternative to the true wireless earbuds. The QCY T13 ANC offers noise cancelling feature and excellent call quality. The QCY T13 offers game mode and also support QCY app. You can find the buying links for the both QCY T13 in the video description. If you are interested in stabilizer gimbal, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.